Hey, food adventurers! Welcome back to Curiosity Satisfactions. Ever thought about pairing peanut butter with pickles or avocado with chocolate? Sounds weird, right? But these bizarre food combos not only taste amazing, but are also packed with health benefits. Today, we're exploring 5 weird food combinations that'll surprise your taste buds and boost your wellness. Stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more crazy food ideas. Let's dive into these quirky combos that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Avocado and dark chocolate? Trust me, it's a match made in heaven. The creamy fat of avocado pairs perfectly with the rich, slightly bitter dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, and dark chocolate has flavonoids that boost mood and brain health. Try blending them into a mousse or spreading avocado on toast with a drizzle of melted chocolate. Peanut butter and pickles might sound odd, but the creamy nutty spread with the tangy crunch of pickles is a game changer. Peanut butter offers protein and healthy fats to keep you full, while pickles add probiotics for gut health. Spread some peanut butter on a pickle spear for a low-carb snack that's surprisingly addictive. Sweet potato and almond butter are a sweet and savory duo you'll wish you tried sooner. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and beta-carotene for immune health, while almond butter provides vitamin E and magnesium for stress relief. Roast sweet potato slices and top with a dollop of almond butter for a cozy, nutrient-packed treat. Cottage cheese and watermelon is a refreshing combo that's perfect for summer. Cottage cheese is high in protein and calcium, great for muscles and bones, while watermelon's hydration and antioxidants support skin health. Mix them together for a creamy, juicy snack that's low in calories and high in flavor. Olive oil on ice cream? Yes, please. The smooth, fruity notes of extra virgin olive oil elevate plain vanilla ice cream, and it's good for you too. Olive oil is packed with anti-inflammatory antioxidants, and a small scoop of ice cream can fit into a balanced diet. Drizzle a teaspoon over your favorite ice cream for a gourmet, health-conscious dessert. There you have it. 5 weird food combos that taste amazing and boost your health. Which one are you brave enough to try first? Let me know in the comments and tell me your own crazy food pairings. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty adventures. See you in the next one.